Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog cone alternatives that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the All-4 Paws, the original comfy cone. What sold us on the original comfy cone of All-4 Paws is the fact that it's shaped like a cone, but it's more comfortable for a dog than the usual Elizabethan collar, which is a mere plastic cone. This is all because of the pad that's added to this comfy cone. Another thing that we love about this product is the fact that it can be folded back, so it's easier for a dog to eat and drink. It also comes with several loops, so your dog will be able to wear its regular collar. Simply pass the collar through them. The common issue of dog owners with the typical cone of shame is that it leaves a dog feeling uncomfortable the entire time it's using its neck collar. With the comfy cone, that's not the case, as it's specifically made to be light and flexible apart from comfortable, so your dog will be able to have a good night's rest even with the collar on, fostering a faster recovery for the animal. The original comfy cone is very affordable, so if you're on a tight budget but your dog is in need of an excellent medical collar, it's the best option. Aside from being affordable, it is also super easy to clean. It only needs wiping as it's made of a water-resistant material. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ZenPet Pro Comfy Cone Recovery Collar. With its unique pillow-like design, the ZenPet Pro Comfy Cone gives your dog comfortable neck support while still retaining a 180 degrees vision of its surroundings. If your dog is afraid of the dark or hates the feeling of being isolated, this is a good option for you to purchase. Putting the inflatable collar on a dog is easy, but you'd still have to inflate it just like a beach float. Once it's set up, you can leave it on your dog for hours and not have to worry about it, as it only has soft edges, plus it's made of an anti-scratch and bite-resistant material. The Inflatable Pro Collar by ZenPet is inflatable, so it promotes a dog's stress-free recovery from the fact that it doesn't block little Fido's vision or muzzle. As it's one of the best alternatives to the Elizabethan collar, it prevents a dog from reaching its rashes, injuries, and surgical wounds. At number 3, we have the Econ Protective Inflatable Collar. Econ Protective Inflatable Collar is just like ZenPet's Pro Collar, as it's air-filled and flexible, but quicker to inflate. Just like all inflatable neck collars, it's suitable for dogs with stubby bodies that can't handle a traditional cone's mass and weight. If your pal's brachycephalic or if it has trouble using a much longer cone, this is a great option for it. As it has a slightly lesser thickness, it makes it easy for a dog to avoid obstacles. This pet recovery collar is also machine washable and chew, bite, and scratch resistant. Also, it won't scuff furniture as it only has soft edges. Most dogs don't like to have anything around their neck. But we didn't have any issues with the Econ inflatable collar because of the fact that it's lightweight and comfortable while still doing its job of restricting a dog's reach. At number 2, we have the Alfie Pet NOAA Recovery Collar. The cutest option from Alfie, so far, this lion motif recovery collar comes with a lion's mane as well as 2 cute ears. It resembles the typical plastic cone shape, only that material consists of soft and flexible fabric with a frilly material around the collar, as well as a pair of cute ears. For the record, we truly believe this also makes for a super adorable costume for your little pooch. The collar makes use of a Velcro closure to give it a snug fit around your dog's neck. It also makes putting it on and off quick and easy. Although it is made of plush fabric which is soft and gentle to the touch, it is still easy to clean as it is machine washable. Apart from the fact that it's absolutely adorable, we were also impressed as to how easy the product was to clean and keep looking brand new. Not to mention its ability to prevent our pup from touching the wounds. And finally, at number 1, we have the ZenPet ProCone Dog Recovery Collar. A convenient and practical option, the ZenPet ProCone Recovery Collar comes in 4 different sizes which all promise dogs maximum visibility. What made us include the product on our list of the best dog cone alternatives is the fact that it sports a hybrid design. It's shaped like a cone, but it's more comfortable and it opens and closes like a fan. This design creates a soothing and healing environment for any dog's post-surgery recovery. Furthermore, it works with a regular collar. Just fit it around its neck with a fuzzy fastener strap that's adjustable. There are many aspects to be liked about this stylish dog cone alternative, but what we liked the most is that it's proven and tested by veterinarians for 12 years now. It also comes in several different sizes to ensure your Paws build has the perfect match. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.